Welcome to Health Talk with Dr. Almus McDowell, your guide to better living and natural wellness. Discover the power of alternative medicine, holistic health tips, and transformative practices for a healthier you. Join us on this journey to revitalized well-being.
Pleasant good afternoon to all of you. It's a great pleasure to be here once again. I'd like to thank you for viewing this telecast, and you can reach me here at different intervals and different times of the week. There are some health problems that are affecting many men, and most of these men are very concerned about these health problems. And first of all, let me say that many of these problems that we're going to be discussing briefly here will have to do with male erectile dysfunction, impotence, premature ejaculation, prostatic hyperplasia or benign prostatic hyperplasia, prostatic calcification, and prostatic syndrome or prostatitis syndrome. All of what I've just mentioned there, do not get too confused because I'm going to explain. Most men, especially men who are suffering from diabetes, high blood pressure, heart condition, and also an enlarged prostate sometimes experience sexual debility or impotence or erectile dysfunction. And because of these diseases, these men are experiencing these problems based on the severity of the condition. So if someone is suffering from diabetes, automatically we do know that diabetes has some serious adverse reaction or side effect to the body. So you probably might suffer from erectile dysfunction because of low vascular elasticity, which means that you're not getting enough blood flow. Those blood vessels are not stretching wide enough to allow proper blood flow to go into the lower extremities in order for you to maintain a proper erection. So erectile dysfunction doesn't mean that you're not getting an erection. It means sometimes you may have an erection, sometimes probably you will not get one. So this is why when men experiencing these problems like diabetes, as I mentioned, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart condition, and enlarged prostate, they do experience these kind of problems. And there are many different formulas that can be used to correct these problems. For example, we have a product called Prostate Health. Prostate Health has been shown to be very effective in reducing the enlargement of the prostate. And we also have a product called Enhance. Enhance has a lot of good ingredients in it. They're all a lot of natural ingredients. They all have their own specific benefits in the body. So, for example, if you look at what are some of the ingredients in Enhance, you'll find in ingredients like guarana, morapuma, ginseng, damiana. All these are natural herbs that has been proven to be very effective in improving your sexual function and also in improving your overall health, because Enhance is not only for sexual problems, but it also helps to enhance your energy level, builds up your stamina, and it also helps with the prostate. So it also reduces inflammation from the prostate. So this is very important. So in the case of premature ejaculation, now these problems tend to be very common among a lot of young men. On the other hand, a man that is suffering from benign prostatic hyperplasia or an enlarged prostate, or prostate calcification, which meaning there's a lot of calcium builds up in the prostate, or prostatitis syndrome, which is inflammation or infection in the prostate, can cause a man to suffer from an erectile dysfunction. But there are a lot of young men who are suffering from premature ejaculation, and the premature ejaculation tend to be a very serious problem. I believe sometimes it could be psychological, and sometimes it could be just total weakness in the body if you're overworking yourself or you become too excited during intercourse. You then going to probably, experience premature ejaculation. Now, I do not want to get too graphic with this program because, at the time of the day, children might be watching this program. So just want to keep it very, very soft, not too hard and not too graphic. Yeah. So these are some of the products that now appearing on your screen, and these products are very helpful in improving your overall health. And so problems, as I mentioned, that are creating these problems can be corrected with some of these different natural products. At my health center, you will find a lot of other natural formulas that can help you to improve your overall health if you're suffering from any of what we have spoken about. Now, some of these problems, a lot of men think, well, they can drink all kind of stuff and correct these problems. They're not that easy to be corrected. And that is the reason why it's important that at times that you see your doctor to, get as a man, to get a rectal examination, especially if you're at that age, over the age of 50 or 60. It's important to get your prostate checked to make sure that the prostate is not enlarged. There's also, ultrasound that can be done to determine the weight or the size of the prostate. So there are medical, there are information out there. There are certain tests, medical tests that can be done, and to help you to correct these problems if you're suffering from any of these conditions that we're speaking about. And as I mentioned, there are different problems that affect men at different age groups. So not all men that are suffering from an enlarged prostate will suffer from erectile dysfunction or impotence. And again, there's a difference. Impotence is when it's completely, you're not maintaining or getting a proper erection. Erectile dysfunction is when you get an erection, but sometimes it doesn't last. During intercourse, you lose it, and sometimes you lose it even before. So these kind of problems can be corrected, very easily corrected, if you know exactly what to do. So, for example, if you're diabetic, just make sure that you keep that blood sugar level under control. We have a special formula that one of the main ingredients is berberine, and berberine has been shown to be very effective, just as metformin, and berberine is now being marketed worldwide even by some pharmaceutical companies because of the blood sugar lowering properties in berberine. Berberine, the Chinese name is called Wanlian Su. So this is a Chinese herb that has been used for thousands of years by the people in China. So it's good formula to use. If you're diabetic, you can also integrate into your program things like chromium. Chromium helps to burn sugar. And there are many things that you need to do, especially when it comes to proper diet. So diet plays a very important role in reducing your blood sugar. So if you're suffering from any of these conditions that I have just mentioned, again, such as the erectile dysfunction, impotence, premature ejaculation, there are lots of different formulas that you can use. But the two that I really zeroing in on here and to encourage you to try to put your hands on is really the prostate health if you have a prostate problem, and if you're suffering from erectile dysfunction, to combine the prostate health with the enhance. And if you are not suffering from erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation, the enhance will help you, because even though you come too fast, it maintains you so that you can continue. And this is why the enhance plays a very important role in improving your overall health. As again, it's not only for sexual problems, it is also used as a tonic, like a supplement to improve your overall health and to build up the body immune system. If you have an enlarged prostate, it also helps to reduce the enlargement or the swelling of the prostate and increase proper urinary flow. So These two formulas work extremely well to improve your overall health. Again, I want to thank you for viewing this program, and I look forward to speak to you next time. So on behalf of the station, I want to thank you and hope to see you again. Good day.